two important things. Still umpires, and baseline to connect. 4 balls in play, 7-9 change. Don't break 3 minutes in that building over there, so it takes time to work and come back. For the ball mark inspection, please make a clear sign to stop the game, and just tell me check, then I will go down. And 25 seconds starts when I say the score in Croatian language, working language, and that's it. For the towels, brown for you, box, and for the green. Any questions? Yes. Well, we will talk about that. Let's see.
Stay focused.
Well, if I don't see, I don't see. Yes, choose. Heads, tails. This one, tails. Tails for him, okay? 50 cents Australian. That's 50 cents Australian for you. 50. Go ahead.